Hi everyone, my name is Danny Jessee. Welcome to my course, Securing Data and Secrets on AWS. I have 6 AWS certifications, including the AWS Certified Security specialty, and work as a senior cloud engineer and software developer in the Washington, D.C. area. Now more than ever, cloud engineers must understand how to properly secure sensitive data and workloads running on AWS. In this course, we will cover the various data encryption and protection mechanisms within AWS, and prepare you to answer questions from the data protection domain of the AWS Certified Security specialty exam. Some of the major topics that we will cover include leveraging the various encryption options available within AWS services, creating and storing customer master keys in the AWS Key Management Service, designing secure parameter stores, replicating data for protection using AWS services, and identifying and protecting sensitive data using Amazon Macie. By the end of this course, you will be able to design secure storage solutions for data in S3, create and manage your own encryption keys, and understand best practices for storing, classifying, and retrieving sensitive data in AWS. Before beginning this course, you should have some experience working with the various security offerings within AWS, as well as a working knowledge of AWS services such as S3, RDS, and EC2. You should also have a few years of IT experience and a basic understanding of fundamental security concepts, such as encryption. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about the data security offerings in the AWS cloud with this course, Securing Data and Secrets on AWS, at Pluralsight.